Hello everybody, Payout Big Scratchers here, and we are scratching a 300 million cash explosion. It's a $600 book, and it's an individual $30. They're individually $30 tickets. And I actually thought I was taping when I started scratching, and I wasn't. So the odds on the ticket is 1 in 2.82, and we're on ticket 13 and 14 of the book. It's a match and win game, so you will match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win prize shown. Reveal that floater, win prize automatically, 2 or 10 times the prize, or the multipliers. A star wins $500 in cash with all 30 prizes. That's what we did just the other day. And we're going to start by finishing scratching the winning numbers. We have 11, 24, 4, 33, 50, 8, 6, 42, 59, and 15. And it's starting to rain here. And our numbers are 27. We have a 24, 53, 30, 16. We have a 15, and here's a match, 42. Five, we have a 6, we have a 4, 32, we have 33, 23, we have 24, 56, we have 59 and 50, 31, 9, we have a 6 and an 8 and a 4, 13, we have 15 and 11, 37, we have 33, 21, no 21, 25, we have 24, don't see 25, 17, what's that, a 12, 46, 43, 39, 41, 34, 44, 1, we have 11, 45, we have the 42, in the last row, 51, 28, no 28, 52, there's no 52, 55, there's no 55, and 14. So it looks like we just got this 42 for $40. That was ticket 13. Ticket 14. I do check my ticket, so if I miss anything, I will put it on the end. The winning numbers are 51, 14, 47, 55, 4, 21, 19, 7, 12, and 9. And our numbers are 20, 5, we have a 4, 46, we have that 47, 49, there's no 49, 32, 41, 24, 36, 22, and 1. No 22, no 1. 56, we have 55. 35, no 30s. 15, we have 12 and 19 and 14. 53, 34, 59, 31, 29, 45, we have 47, 43, 54, we have the 55, 39, 8, we have a 9, 58, don't see it, 16, 37, 57, 17, 25, and 28. Well, this ticket doesn't look like a winner. So it looked like we got $40 back. Like, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. Bye.